Welcome to 5th grade math with Mr. J. In this video, we are going to be discussing how to divide fractions, and specifically dividing fractions by fractions. And as you can see, there are 4 problems on your screen. We're going to solve these 4 problems together, and I would highly suggest that you write them out with me. But if you just want to watch, that's fine too. At the top of your screen, you see the words keep, switch, flip. These are the steps to dividing fractions, and you need to keep that in mind as we go through these 4 problems. Let's jump right in to number 1. We have 2/3 divided by 1/3. So let's take a look at our steps for dividing fractions. And the first step is keep. So that means we're going to keep our first fraction as is as we rewrite this problem. So 2/3. Next, we have switch, which means we are going to switch this division sign to multiplication. So we're actually going to do the opposite of division. And then lastly, we have flip. So we're going to flip that last fraction, or sometimes you hear it called the reciprocal, and that just means flipping the fraction. So the 3 is now the numerator, and the 1 is now the denominator. So 3/1. So that's how we set up our problem. Now we just multiply straight across. 2 times 3 is 6, and 3 times 1 is 3. So our answer is 6/3, or 6/3, but that's an improper fraction, meaning the numerator, the top number, is greater than the denominator. So we do not want to leave it like that. So we need to convert it to a whole number or mixed number. So we need to divide our numerator, 6, by the denominator, 3. So how many whole groups of 3 can we pull out of 6? And the answer to that is 2. Now there's no remainder or anything left over, so we get a whole number for our quotient or answer to that division problem. So there you have it. Keep, switch, flip. So let's take a look at number 2. 1/2, keep, switch to the opposite of division, multiplication, and then flip. Now we can multiply straight across. 1 times 5 is 5. 2 times 2 is 4. So we ended up with an improper fraction again, so we need to convert it to a whole number or mixed number. So we need to divide the numerator by the denominator. 5 divided by 4. How many whole groups of 4 can be pulled out of 5? And the answer to that is 1. Now for this one, we have something left over. If we pull a group of 4 out of 5, we have 1 left over, and then we keep this denominator the same. So I'm going to repeat that one more time. We did 5 divided by 4 is 1 whole here. We got 1 left over, remainder 1, and then we keep our denominator the same. So 1 and 1/4 for number 2. Number 3, keep, 2/8. Switch and flip. And now we go straight across. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 times 1 is 8. So we get 8/8. And whenever you have the same number on top, the numerator, as you do the denominator, it's actually 1 whole. Think about it. 8 divided by 8. And we get 1 whole. So number 4, we have 5/7 divided by 3/4. So steps, keep, switch, flip. 5 times 4 is 20, and 7 times 3 is 21. Now that's a proper fraction. We have a numerator that is less than the denominator. So we can see if we can simplify that fraction But actually the only common factor, the greatest common factor between 20 and 21 is 1. So this fraction is simplified. We are done. 20 over 21. So there's dividing fractions. Just keep, switch, flip, and then take a look at your answer. Do you need to simplify your answer? Do you need to convert it to a whole number or mixed number? And there you have it. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, peace.